In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for HR recruitment processes step by step, so you can streamline hiring, track candidates efficiently, and give your entire HR team full visibility over the recruitment pipeline. Whether you're hiring for one role or scaling across multiple departments, this setup will help you stay organized and data-driven. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical software tutorials. All right, let's dive in. The first step is to create a recruitment pipeline board. Inside Monday.com, click on Add Board and create a new board dedicated to recruitment. This board will track every candidate and their status throughout the hiring funnel. Start by adding the essential columns. Use the name column for candidate name. Add a drop-down column for position applied for so you can manage multiple job openings in one place. Then add a status column and customize it with stages like applied, screening, interview, offer, and hired. This gives you a clear visual pipeline. Next, add a file column for CV uploads, so resumes are stored directly inside each candidate's item. Add a date column for interview date to track scheduling. And finally, add a people column labeled Recruiter Assigned, so accountability is clear. Once this is set up, you now have a fully functional recruitment tracker. Next, let's add a job application form so candidates can automatically flow into your board. Open your recruitment board, click on Plus Add View, and select Form. Monday.com will instantly convert your columns into form fields. Customize the form by including fields like name, email, position applied for, and resume upload. You can adjust which fields are required and even add custom questions. Once you're done, copy the form link and paste it into your job postings on LinkedIn, your website, or job boards. Now, every time someone applies, their information will automatically appear inside your recruitment pipeline without manual data entry. Now let's build interview scorecards to evaluate candidates consistently. Inside your board, add rating columns so interviewers can score candidates on criteria like communication, technical skills, and culture fit. You can also add drop-down columns for skill checklists and a long text column for detailed feedback. This ensures structured evaluations and reduces bias in hiring decisions. Each interviewer can leave their feedback directly inside the candidate's profile, keeping everything centralized and easy to review. The fourth step is creating dashboards for HR KPIs. Click on Dashboards and create a new dashboard connected to your recruitment board. Add widgets like number of candidates per stage to visualize your pipeline health. Include a time to hire widget using date calculations to measure efficiency. Add a workload widget to see recruiter assigned distribution, ensuring no one is overloaded. You can also track source performance such as LinkedIn, website, or referrals and monitor hiring progress by department. These visual reports help HR leaders make smarter, faster hiring decisions. Finally, integrate Monday.com with your existing HR tools. You can connect LinkedIn using Zapier or Make to automatically capture applicants. Integrate Gmail or Outlook to send and track interview emails. Connect Zoom to automatically generate interview links. And sync with calendars to streamline interview scheduling. These integrations eliminate repetitive tasks and keep your hiring workflow seamless. And that's it. You now know how to use Monday.com to manage your entire HR recruitment process from application to hire. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.